Okay, this video is a really quick look at what happens when you do a maintenance or a transportation request. If you haven't yet, you should probably go ahead and watch the video for how to put in a curriculum and technology ticket. It does work just slightly different, but this will explain the differences right here. So maintenance and transportation are set up that they don't go to the department, so the people working on them will not see them until they're approved on your campus. That means your principal or secretary or whoever else the principal designates as an approver will need to approve that before the departments will see it. You'll enter in the ticket just like you would have with the technology and curriculum one. So you'll click on it, you'll find whatever the topic is, you'll fill out the information, and then you'll say submit this request. And then you'll get the message saying that it was completed. So there's no reason to go ahead and redo this request, but what's going to happen is when you go back here to view my open requests, which is where you should see all of the tickets that you've entered, you'll notice that it is not here yet. It will not show up in this list until your campus approver goes back into it and approves that ticket. So once they've approved the ticket, then at that point you can come back here and say view my open request, and it will tell you if it was approved, and you'll be able to see what the status is. If they reject it at the campus level for whatever reason, then you're going to be able to see that ticket after it's been rejected down here in the completed requests, because since it is not approved, it does not go on to the department. It just goes into a closed status, but you can at least see that it was a ticket that was closed on your behalf. So that's the difference between a technology and curriculum ticket, which will go straight to the department. Maintenance and transportation tickets are going to go to that approval process, and you will not see them until that process is done.